Mamema Akwaba ever Ghana and Sam TV GH. Mesra will like, a comment, subscribing. Turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, Usambeka.
That's a own person obey Juma Magana.
Don't apply. Force.
Don't apply.
Nasa Joyce Bawa so say air cargo or say air Ghana ne Ghana Airlines.
Ghana Airways. Appointee bi na nkeko ka asem we ya.
Joyce Bawa, hold Joyce Bawa. Onu so ehu propaganda na fa no.
Now then no still away or that's all. I
She also fell for the air Ghana drama.
Onu to go tweet TV.
But Felix Ati there's a thin line. There's a thin line between bravery and stupidity.
No correct.
Yeah, you see, also when you tell a lie for a long time, you start to believe your own lies.
Yes.
Sami Jemfino, he's gotten to that level where in his mind he has become smarter than facts. So even when he sees factual evidence, he wants to use his lies
to cover it.
Yes. And it's like he's been given a clean sheet or a clean bill by so-called gatekeepers, you know. Inti nyanya o bekano ana tisa American Asante region he's so smart, and
that means
Sami Jemfi has a way of belittling even scholars when he's struggling. Because one person will be do attempt. One person will do
attempt. So I say,
so if you want better disconnect because
we papa penny
exactly. When you so respect yourself, you are not going down the lane with him. Because I didn't know him now, he wants to belittle you, your intelligence. You know, also he can provoke you to go to a certain. Let me tell you, this thing, Ejenim Boating, James Ejenim Boating or started the Madino. When him said Nana Akomia of all people, one day James Ejenim Boating Mama Akomia went off. When Ejenim Boating suggested to Akomia that the Queen's language is not within the remit of everybody to understand. Now, Wakan Krofa, Waka Brofa, you Ejenim Boating, can you compare yourself to Akomia? But here is the case. Who on as are you wrong? And Akomia is proving to him I don't know on charge. Onu momusu say. Tidama shamo no said the bayem no. Ejeni what is Akomia ntibrofu. And Masa, you go off. And that the news file, they had to pause it. That was the first time you said an Akomia no beef. And Sami Jemfi is also like that. In an attempt to get you to go off, he begins to belittle your intelligence. Now, what was Shenimpa? Oh, say, I don't know if you do you know Chris Akume?
Yeah, lawyer Chris Akume.
Yeah, he also used to be like that. Chris Akume, what lawyers are bona or yeah, number one. But
there were bomba David Anna, who David Anna.
Remember, David Anna, Chris Akume. One way radio lawyers, but they are quick to always insult people. They are quick to always insult people.
Current Attorney General, where we need case that. The witnesses for the purport
about now, you see, law no, it's witness is part of. Yeah, witness. To practice and become experience or gain notability in that area, no, you need witness more than the books you have read. Inti no se wadwon se we tua book no nkuti inti who ko practice the dey bia obedi egu
because case nye dito. Yeah.
David. I didn't you need witness.
But Marcus, yeah. Oko court also what you say. If you are going to adduce evidence, so you will be also unima de ampa when we did the evidence at now, it will coach you which kind of evidence that you have to adduce. And to cover witnesses,
but they are changing circumstances all the time.
It becomes a dent on you.
When him say I'm coming, when him say most critical lawyers, when they are questioning her, you might think they are joking. or you might think they ask you relevant question. But
Have you seen Afenyomakin in a action? Have you seen Agbenohuga in action? As if they are joking. As if they are joking.
yeah, because they anticipate your answers to those foolish questions only for you to get trapped in the end. It you know, me, Lord Nankasano, me, the first time I went to court, I had to testify to a case. Man no crack up my judge in chair. Oh, you will try it.
As a book look for
Aha! It can be quite a guy or say, hey,
as
do
a
you
book
know
look
where you
for.
are? What do you know? Maybe order me general tete. And I be say, hey,
Na se Marcus court one was so far that is net one. Uhwe shu we share na obedwe so we dey no nim we dey we share. Na yeah the case no too we na say
But there be
interpretation na
court
na we
there,
almost
you will
start
know
the
your rare
issue no.
size.
Na
Charlie.
who say yes, I know
Hey,
who some
Samia Uku, have you seen your rare size?
hey,
where start there.
can crunchy, have you seen your rest side? Kweku bu ahinde ono brofo kaka kro kana nka kro bubu wo kweku you better wa bu more than me.
Kwakubu an yebre bi wa we ni ma Accra no. Omo frɛ baabi abrewa nana ɛwɔ Nyameche side
Na
ho.
me check. Da
Side ho
akoma.
good. Da akoma hɔ na no last 2024 Salah for no mudi ye no. Na eja me boys say eja Fadama boys omo de me kɔ wɔ hɔ. Sɛ Marcus band bi bo Kwakubu an no to na metwa no ho ahyia na nsa gugu the table so na owi bi no hyɛ sa no kuli high kyɛ no na ɔka na me say we Kwakubu an me say me bufu ya.
Joshua Kamba, the first time I meet who Cape Coast, Satchland. Oh, but why are you?
Kwakubu an
And
winning.
this is moment they a kuan ankasa me hu. Now and this is the be one abenya V8. Joshua
Na me
Kamba, to
bobi
movie
ansa
pa
se
na
bobi
otim na
ansa se
Cape Coast.
kwasia
Me say, hey, ngovu we mu.
awe na bobi ansa to me ka se kwasia wo bra me fa nkɔ chia mahama na se be on pay on tumi peke bi ma na ya ugina wa da yo ho na na ba obi abeba ba obi abeba o ba kro mu ni mu
Amia
party
ka
of
me ko hwehwe mahama, me ne no meeting.
pu woni anyo mahama de nkɔ no ho ka me bo ameba be bo
Oh,
wachi
by
wa
baby mama. Ono say the a case I was out to do the old woman could think there. Whoa.
se sa o o mo se
Marcus.
kwasia kwatie bi ofia no nya
Marcus.
kwatie wa o
Yellow.
You.
Yellow.
Good after asama walk walking. Who evidence?
o you
Oh,
evidence
Messi, honestly, they say, some say, if, and if is watch it,
there be if you want to mention
if
Kennedy
the one check,
Macrosi have closed.
if you want to mention me pa cho aka the voice why as I feel na
Bra, no. Naba, ne din. Ojejentwisem wɔ ne mu. Naba ne din. Dodontwiesem ana agegentwiesem wɔ ne mu. Den na mpɛ sɛ meka. Sɛ wohwɛ naba yɛ asoma yɛ kan a naba yi ne akoa bi a ɛbrɛ bi ɛyɛ ɔbarima bi a yɛfrɛ no David ɛboa no ma wɔbɔ ne nantwie ne ne mpɔnkye ne ne nyaa na agyapadeɛ nyinaa ho ban ɛde maa no ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ɛsrɛ so bra no mu hwɛ nwan ɛna David ɛpɛ nneɛma ɛde abɔ afɔre ama ne Nyankopɔn ɔkɔɔ naba nkyɛn ɛna naba de di David nkɔɔfoɔ atem ɛma David yɛ bufuhyew so a wɔko sɛ nka ɔkɔ akɔtɔre naba ne ne fiefoɔ nyinaa ase ɛna obi kɔbɔɔ naba no na ne yere din de Abigail it is a wotie Pentecost foɔ makuofoɔ mo wɔ slogan bi ɔka sɛ Abigail ɔso ɔbaa ne ho ɔfɛ na ɔwɔ adwempa me nso me ho ɔfɛ na mo adwempa de asekyerɛ ne sɛ Abigail no ti asɛm no ɛna wɔhyehyɛ nneɛma na David ɛpɛ ne nyinaa bi ɛna ɔde maa ne nkoa so ɔmo ni kae to ɔkɔto David no ɛna Abigail no kɔ buku yo n'anim ɛna ɔpa David akyɛw sɛ ɔma ne mfa n'akoma ɛnto wɔ nipa huhuni naba ne so tie me come sorry ni wia bɛte asɛm bɛsɛ mekyerɛ n'ase ɔmo mfa ɔmakoma ɛnto ohuhuni naba ne so yɛka sɛ obi yɛ huhuni a nipa ɔyɛ hantan ɔyɛ tirimɔdenfo ɔnim nyansa ɛna fɛn so huhuni na sɛdeɛ ne din ɛteɛ no tie sɛdeɛ ne din teɛ no ne din ne naba sɛdeɛ ne din teɛ no na
ono ene efe ne din na ba no oye adwodwantwiesem wɔ ne mu tie kasa adwodwantwiesem a na yɛ sɛ enkwasiasem a etimodi ne nyansa nim yɛte ɔman Ghana mu ɛna obi din kai bɛbɔ yɛtimodi bedin bɔne kyerɛ yɛn nia edin kai de kɔ dum so ma yɛ ho kyerɛ yɛn kompra da ekuma bɔkɔtɔ de ne to anwea pɛsɛ so e Ghana fo ma yɛ ho kyerɛ yɛn sai nipa na kɔ asa ba nipa yɛ nim sɛ the Bible e kan me ene me use Bible na de akasa Bible e kan adwodwantwie asɛm yi yɛhunu adwodwantwie asɛm e wɔ Ghana ha se ya ebi mu ka kyerɛ yɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ na sɛ yɛnya yɛntimi ntena ɔman ma yɛmtu nkɔtena Togo ne de keka ho at the end of the day no say nipa we yan yes happen once ambra that is what we want ourselves and that is where we have come to nanka eba ne say chakonya eba ne say na sabi money onipa obi yenyina nim say dum so ho yenyina nim say dum so ho next obi akoka say onye so obi wakeka o wo hunu billboard and ono so I can say what picture no dey about on the Facebook wo yes yache no yate na membe ka kira police for ni asoja for ni national security for ni say to me edane so what you say na eyeda ya to me ebedane ekwa bacho menya ho nti me de manu be siase na
this time round the yes favor obi a yes so obi ankwasa asam so yes so ankwasa asam to na ne wo opposition a ye nyina ye bre no adai na fita ho ma che nya me di misika ma to me light na so me nya light in them mutiri to ma pampa to say di lebi muti di lebi so still me that to da esum ya ko kan no kwasi afo say obi akasa dum so is back abo se munti bi da mo ma me so me light mo so friend na bo hanum na anya adwuma no that's the NDC for similar I am a fan
so light no fan and here and here tiasie because of my de bia you do the lights of my de es me dem wa botira na na chimu no so what the question me se fan na me chimu no ah wo sa ma chim fan no be ma ho fu wa so fan no why I say fan no matching fan no me say someone say matching fan no matching fan no dey to 3 me dey to fan no so ama hwe me dey to fan no so ama hwe mo ra ya no fan bi ya aduma mo ra ya no fan e ya aduma fan bi ya aduma na oturu fo say dance ni wa abrochire mem oturu fo me dance ni wa abrochire mem mo sha ya fan bi ya aduma ana ka me hu fifire mi ejimi ho Moga say me dem ade eya kono ade eya ahodwono me pay soft light ka light to honu ma na ka fifire say it me emwa ye ka say dum so is back aboso makwa kwachi obi mo jimi ho and this for mo ya mwa papa mo na che me mo ya jimi for say ye nya ka wo so biemo ye suro hwi biemo mo jimi dum so ba ya ade ati fitia no pa mini light ade ati na fitia no pa mini light am da hwu mu evidence nie makwa kochim fan me chim fan mu tiri to no mapampa so fan bi ya aduma ka say etesi na afetesi utiri to no mapampa so ade na nya atoma do kromo sa ade ya na ya nyina ya bre anya mo sa mo bi mo nya atoma anka ndisi de anka ya de option aka ndisi ya de option ade na mo ya bre sa ade na ya ba me kasa mo ma ya kasa na mo ba da so ya no muna mo ba be preach akere and this for and mo hye ye na mo ngina ye pana se afidi de ye give room for any stupidity and kwase ose bia be ba be yi ano emo asem bia be ba be yi ano mo nyina ye se mutimi didi na nado na obehye wo bastard baby no na nado timi be hwe wo bastard baby wo wachi okodi ukwate fun one plan na wo nkwase amaba be gu wiase no papa ne daye ejune wo ba no ho na the ma obeduane be twa obe school fees free na timi sanya audacity didi na tem dia na wo kwase a waba na wo dundum light na me di misika aton wo dundum no fe no wo se me de ma me kan wa asema me di watam wa bodam papa wo jale ga mama no na bo be gumanum no wo na ade ma me say ye beto wo ti yan kogum na ya bramo mo fre chichichi ya no mo chire be de mababaku no ye kuma nka mo moti ase ke ye kukum nyina afias adan eni ehunu asa no mo ka so bia ni ehunu no ya santefo de efre ye hukum apem ebeba ai hukum asebie no ye di na yida ensam sopa kwasia futu regret
aboa wonim ade kyerɛ wonim